Proudly presented by Smart Hire. Today, Smart Hire will be introducing its new range of party and site toilets. Making sure to watch your step when entering the cubicle, the water reservoir of the basin and the hand pump must be filled before use. This is done through unscrewing the cap, inserting the hose, filling from the tap or other clean water source, and re-securing the cap once more. After depositing waste, simply pump the handle twice in order to flush, and indent the button head of the tap for running water. The toilet itself comes with a complimentary toilet roll, an incense air freshener, and chemical sewage disinfectant. The gender identification signs can be removed and changed accordingly, as well as the ability to lock the door moving the handle left and right. To stop unauthorized use and vandalism, the toilet can be locked, although locks are not included in the hire. To hire this machine and many more, visit the team in store at Smart Hire.